Thanks for your purchase of the MyDM JobSite Pro Pressure Washer Trailer. We'll walk you through the simple assembly steps and you'll be ready to go in no time. Before signing for delivery, walk around the pallet and inspect everything for any shipping damage. To assemble the trailer, you will need these tools. At the end panel, remove the 8 screws and set aside. Now, remove the 2 bolts from the tongue bracket and keep them handy. The trailer tongue is secured for shipping with 2 bolts. Use a partner to help hold the tongue while removing the bolts. First, loosen the bolt on the receiver side of the tongue. Then, remove the bolt on the hitch side of the tongue. Rest the tongue on the pallet and then remove the bolt on the receiver side of the tongue. Discard these bolts. They won't be needed for assembly. Next, slide the tongue into the trailer receiver. Using the 2 bolts you removed from the receiver, loosely install the tongue into place. Now, secure the receiver to the trailer by tightening the 4 nuts, first with an impact driver, and next with a torque wrench to 75 foot-pounds. Then, secure the tongue to the receiver by tightening the 2 nuts to 105 foot-pounds. Pull the wiring harness from the back of the tongue and connect it here. And secure it to the tongue using the provided cable tie. To position the jack, remove the 4 bolts and nuts. Rotate the jack into the upright position, then reinstall and tighten the hardware. Turn the jack handle to slightly raise the front of the trailer. Remove the front shipping brackets. Then, remove the rear shipping brackets. Discard the lug nuts and bolts from the shipping brackets. They won't be needed. Hook up the trailer to your truck and check the brake lights. With the shipping brackets removed, carefully move the trailer forward and off the pallet. Your trailer is now assembled and ready to head to the job site. If you have any questions, please contact MightyM Product Support at 800-553-9053 or visit mightym.com.